Hello and welcome to part 2 of Instagram bot series. Last time we wrote this code to make a simple Instagram bot that likes posts from a specific hashtag. So this is going to be a continuation video of part 1, and if you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it. Link will be in the description down below. Alright, so for this tutorial we're going to upgrade our bot so that it is able to like as well as comment on the post. So let's get right into it. We want to firstly begin by importing another module, that's the random module. Secondly, we want to create an empty list. Let's say comments equals to an empty list, and inside this you want to put the comments you would like your bot to comment on other posts. So I'm gonna just say great work, cool, nice. And if you want to put an emoji, you can go to a website like this one, or you can just click on any emoji and it would copy to your clipboard, and then you can enclose that emoji in quotation marks and Python will treat it as a string and you will be able to comment it out. Of course you can change these comments according to your needs. I'm just going to remove these two and only work with these two comments. However, I recommend about 5 to 6 unique comments. Alright, so when you have set up that, you want to come down here. Let's just make a new print statement. Say commenting. And just like we made the cl.media-like function, we have another function over here that's cl.media underscore comment. We have to provide the PK ID of the post we want to comment on, and that is given by media.dictionary PK ID. We're just gonna say PK, and then we want to provide the comment as our second argument. So the reason we imported the random module is that so that we can comment out a random comment from this list, so your bot can be more dynamic and have multi comments to comment on users' posts, so it's a little bit less suspicious to other people. Alright, so I'm just gonna type in random dot choice, and inside it I'm just going to provide the comments list, and just like that it is done. Yes, that's how this tutorial is going to get. So let's just quickly run this bot and see if everything is working fine. I'm going to run this file in terminal. So it says liking, commenting, and it's going to wait for 15 seconds before it likes and comments on other posts. So let's just quickly go here. I'm going to Alright, you can see that our bot has liked the post and we have this emoji as a comment. Let's just switch off to second post. We have liked it and we again have the same emoji as the comment. It's because the probability of having these comments is just 50%, and that's why I say you should add more unique comments. Let's just check on our third post. We have liked it and again we have an emoji. I'm just going to look for a great work as comment. Okay, it's 3 seconds. Okay, let's just wait, and I'm going to have to refresh it. Alright, there you go. It says great work. So that's why I said, guys, have more unique comments and you're good to go. So I'm just going to stop the execution of this bot and make sure you have a quite significant delay, more than 15 seconds actually. If you're just, as I said in my previous video, if you're just running for 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you can put 25. But if you're running for like 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, make sure to put something like 90 or 100. So I'm just gonna say 20, and that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.